What's up, you guys? I hope you got your ears on. Doesn't have to be this set of ears. Any set of ears will do, but I hope you got your ears on for this test. I'm quite often asked about the differences between going with my Hibby player, my Fio player, which I no longer have, and using a Dac dongle. So I'm going to make a quick comparison video here using my, where is it? Here it is, my older Estelle & Kern PEE51 Dac dongle, and I'm going to use it with my phone, which is an old Samsung Galaxy Note 8. I know it's going to be a difference, but how much of a difference is it going to be, and is the difference going to be worth it to you? Let's find out.
She had the nerve to ask me my plan to do her any harm. So look here, I put on the back of my bike and we went riding down my old man Johnson's farm. I said, now overcast days never turn me home. There's something about the clouds and her mixed. She wasn't too bright, but I could tell when she kissed me, she knew how to get a kiss.
All right, you guys. So what did you think? I forgot to show that the Estelle & Kern does have an app that you can use when you plug into your phone. It plugs in at the bottom, USB-C right there. It plugs into your phone. I think they make an adapter for iPhones, like a lightning adapter, but if not, for Android phones, USB-C in the bottom of your phone. And then on the bottom side of the Estelle & Kern, it has a 3.5 millimeter out. Auxiliary out. They do make an updated version with a 3.5 millimeter and 4.4 millimeter. I think it's the HC3 or HC4 for that particular Dac dongle. Other Dac dongles will vary, of course. It's just different manufacturers, different designs. But the Estelle & Kern does have an app that you can control the volume because it's really loud on its own. Like when you plug into your phone, you turn your phone volume all the way up and then you play through your head unit like I do, and again, the reason why I turn my phone volume all the way up is because if I have it at just say 3/4 volume on my phone and I have my head unit up and I'm playing my music and loving it, and then I accidentally on my phone increase the volume, that's going to boost the volume so much that it could distort and damage your speakers. So I leave my phone at full volume and control my system volume through my head unit. So with that being said, the normal demo volume on my head unit, it goes up to 40. I normally don't play it that much more above 36, maybe 38 if it's a poorly recorded song. If I'm doing a demo and I'm all excited and stuff, I might go up a little bit more, but I never really boost it to max volume. But with my Hibby player, I keep it around 36, maybe 37. With this Estelle & Kern being so loud with my phone, I did this demo at 32, because if I would have went up to 36 or 37, it would have definitely distorted. But with that being said, you can clearly hear that the Estelle & Kern is brighter than the Hibby player, but that doesn't make it bad. It's just different. But do you like it brighter like that, or do you like the warmer, more neutral sound of the Hibby player? It's completely up to you. I'm not trying to influence your decision in any way, but matter of fact, instead, I'm trying to give you something to help you with your decision, as opposed to asking me and seeing what I think, which I appreciate. I'm honored that you guys respect my opinion in this and want to hear what I think, but I thought it'd be best for you guys to hear it for yourselves. So let me know what you think in the comments. If you like the Estelle & Kern Dac Dongle better than the Hibby player, that's all good. If you like the Hibby player better than the Estelle & Kern, that's all good too. But I want to know what you guys think.